From AI glasses that talk to you, to robots that can literally cook dinner. These 5 gadgets from 2025 are going to change how you live, work, and play. And number 3 is straight out of a sci-fi movie. Let's go. Trust me, you've never seen tech like this before. Stick around, because the last one? You'll want it in your hands today. Meet the Vision Air AI glasses, your personal assistant, right on your face. They can translate any language in real time, guide you through a city without touching your phone, and even recognize objects instantly. Forget Google search. Now you just look and know. This is the SkySnap Nano, a drone so small, it fits in your pocket. Pop it open, throw it in the air, and it'll follow you, stabilize shots, and stream live video straight to your phone. It's like having your own movie crew, in your jeans pocket. Number 3 feels illegal. The CookBot 5 can cook thousands of recipes from scratch. Just tell it what you're craving, and it'll chop, stir, and plate it like a Michelin chef. Oh, and clean up? It does that too. Your smartwatch just got jealous. The BioPatch X sticks to your skin and tracks your health 24/7, hydration, vitamin levels, even stress hormones. It can warn you hours before you get sick. Yeah, welcome to the future of healthcare. And finally, the Holodesk. Imagine your work desk, but with floating 3D screens, interactive maps, and holograms you can move with your hands. Gaming, work, design, all without a single monitor. Tony Stark would approve. So, which of these future gadgets blew your mind the most? Drop your favorite in the comments, and if you want more crazy tech from the future, smash that like button and subscribe to NeoByteHQ, your portal to tomorrow's technology, today.